Welcome everyone, and in today's video we will be learning how to replace and refill cartridges on the PA-10 scale. Sometimes when using the scale, you will run out of labels and be presented with this screen. The PA-10 uses label cartridges, which allow for the quick replacement of labels. To replace a label cartridge, open the side door located to the scale's right. Then locate the blue lever and flip it into the open position. Now softly slide the cartridge out of the scale. Please do not attempt to refill the cartridge while in the scale. Now with the cartridge removed, we can remove the old label. Open both blue levers on the cartridge and remove the label. You can use the lever to rotate the backing paper a couple of times to loosen it if it is tight. Now grab a new roll. Secure the label by hooking it around the bottom piece and rotate until taut. Remove any excess labels from the new roll as needed. In the case of jams or labels that are stuck, please remove the cartridge. Then with your finger, gently remove any labels. Any sharp objects like knives or sticks can permanently damage your scale, causing hundreds in damages. Finally, we can insert the label cartridge into the scale. And close the blue lever holding the print head back. Let's return to the front display and press the printer calibration button. This will automatically calibrate the label. Finally, we can resume printing. If you replace the label prematurely, as in before it completely runs out, you will have to manually calibrate the label by entering the settings menu. Simply hit settings, then tap on printer settings, and finally press calibrate label. After the label prints, the label has been calibrated and you can resume printing. Thank you for joining us today, and look at the comments section for any potentially answered questions. Now, here's an example of how the process would look like for a continuous strip label. Thank you, and have a nice day.